a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Had a lot of you ask me since I've received the Cygnus razor, how is it with a head shave? I've commented how good the head shave is. I've done one head shave, and that was yesterday, since the time I'm recording this, and it was amazing. So I promised I'd do a video, so here it is. I was going to have a video drop yesterday, but unfortunately I can't use the footage. I'm going to have to reshoot it tomorrow. So sorry, it's been a while since there's a video, but here we go. I'm going to be using today from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Magi. This is one I got in during the holiday season. See, I got that nice shiny hollow. I have not used this yet. Definitely looking forward to that. Smells amazing. And I do have the splash with me. And of course, the Signis. I can't get over how good this razor is. I really forgot how well it was from shaving with the prototype. There's the bottom there. I'll show you both sides. If I can get that to focus. There we go. Beautiful textured handle out of copper. But I haven't had a face shave with it yet. I've only had the one shave, and that was a head shave the other day, just because of everything I've had going on. So I thought about doing a face shave also, but I've really got nothing left to shave right now from the video I shot last night using something else that I'll talk about in tomorrow's video. So anyway, for the brush, I of course am using the Moon Striker. I've got it soaking here in my mug in some hot water. And let's get this brush loaded. All right. Going straight into the tub of Magi. So, Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Magi. Our holiday classic. Magi is a magical deep blend of frankincense and myrrh with notes of pure tobacco absolute, thyme, coumarin, chamomile, rose, lavender, and benzoin. Quite the Christmas cocktail. This truly is an ancient, manly concoction if ever there was one. And we are good to go on that load. Oh, it smells good. Wow. I have not had a chance to shave with this yet just because of all the prior commitments I've had with videos and other things and shave masters and stuff and a couple other choices of my personal shaves I've wanted to do. So I am extremely looking forward to this shave. Have 24 hours growth, if I remember correctly, a little over. So I did have that shave early in the morning the other day. So let's get this out of the way. And let's get the head wet. All right, let's get to going. Beautiful lather already. Love it, love it, love it. We'll need to add more water, of course. Oh, it smells so good. What were those scent notes again? Frankincense, myrrh, pure tobacco absolute, thyme, coumarin, chamomile, rose, lavender, benzoin. I feel like we're going to be adding a lot of water to this. I think I once again overloaded my brush, which I have no problem with that. It's just more time working it in the head, the head hair, beard hair. I don't know. head beard. I don't know what to call that. Stubble. Let's just call it stubble. Alright, that might have been too much water I just added to the brush. Or maybe not. Definitely I need more. There we go. Apparently I flung a bunch of lather right there. I have a lot of cleanup. Man, I still need water. Almost got mine. Sorry guys, I might have to speed this along because I definitely overloaded the brush while I was reading. That is still thick. It looked like a soap chunk, but it's not. I think that's got it there. Get a little bit of that over here. I think this is my worst brush overloading I've done. It's okay, I've got plenty. It's not going anywhere. But there we go. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Got it. Thank you for having patience with me. I mean, look at that. Beautiful. It's worth the time working it in. Definitely worth the time working it in. All right. Warm up this razor, and one thing that's beautiful about this copper razor is how much it retains that warmth and heat from the water. Let it run here for a second. Beautiful. All right, here we go. Cygnus razor, second head shave. Now, when I used this on the head shave yesterday, I literally had maybe 3 little tiny areas of cleanup, and normally in the back I've got a lot more cleanup than that, and it was virtually gone. It was crazy how efficient it was. Excellent. So, I hope if you were able to pick up the Signis, you did. I know that the numbers are dwindling down. And I'm not sure if there's going to be another run of the Cygnus. Hopefully there will be if it does sell out. But I want to congratulate Douglas and Fran and Hux for a successful launch of this razor. And I'm noticing it's showing up in the hands of more and more every day. Can't wait to see your guys' response and your own reviews of this razor. I'm just happy to finally have it for good in my den. Alright. Jeez, I can't believe just how easy it clears that path. In case you're wondering, I'm using like a third use Tatara blade. So I did get some new blades in, and I had a few, I just haven't used them yet, but I went ahead and bought some also because they were a good price. Let me know if you've ever used the Persona Gem, don't get confused, Persona Gem DE blades. They're fairly new. They're some sort of what was it, platinum diamond coating or something like that, I think they call. But anyway, I know TRC had them for a while. I got these somewhere else, a place that I get a few supplies from. But Doug Lane is absolutely loving them. So now I love Persona Comfort Coats. Absolutely love those blades. So I'm looking forward to trying these. I'm wondering how different they are. But a lot of people have had very positive reviews about them. If you've used them, let me know what you think. So I will probably be using that blade for the first time tomorrow. All right, let's feel where we're at. That is just crazy. It's just gone. Okay, a little bit right there and right here where it's hard to get anyway because of my ear. But it's gone. Maybe a hair there, but yeah, nothing like I always have at all. The efficiency is just through the roof on this razor for me. Crazy good. See if I can get that little area. Sounds like I did. All right. It's unreal. And you can just feel it plowing through all that. I don't even know if you can hear that or not, but it's just murdering that hair. See where we're at back here. All right, little baby hairs on my neck here. Gone. No matter how good a razor is, I always have a little bit of cleanup at least in the back, but this is the least amount I ever have is with this razor. But the hair on the back of my head is a lot thicker than any other of the hair on my head. And grows in multiple directions back here. That's why I do these other directional passes. But that is gone. It's just a little spot behind his ear. And right up here. That's gone. Quick, wonderful, safe, beautiful, smooth, clean, and gorgeous razor. All right, gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Oh, that was fantastic. Man, there is some cube magic in that razor. Absolutely. You know, I have a classification I call the magical razors. And the ones that are in there are the Lone Star, the Ascender Eagle R1, the Goodfellas Smile Libre, and I'm about to add the Cygnus to that. Let me get a couple more shaves in, but I can tell you that razor is probably going into that classification. There's a couple other razors in there that is just a guaranteed smooth BBS shave. Maybe not necessarily autopilot. Some of them are. But I can guarantee a fantastic shave every time I use it. So that's why I need more uses with it. But yeah, it is already leaning that way, how much I enjoy that razor. Oh, wow. Completely gone. All right, let's get the splash. Looking forward to this. All right. This is where the magic happens. Oh. Ooh. So I have soaps with frankincense and myrrh in it. I've never smelled myrrh on its own. I've smelled frankincense before. So I really don't know how to pick out myrrh. I need to figure out a way to do that. But the tobacco in this is really, really nice. Oh, the rose and lavender work together so well too. It's almost like it's the same note, just broadened. Oh, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Wonderful. I can see me using this. To me, this isn't just seasonal. I could see me wearing very much so like with Kiritamati. Kind of think Kiritamati without the bay rum, I guess, and a little more tobacco and slightly floral. Wow, that's beautiful. All right, guys. So there you go. Head shave with the Cygnus. I hope that satisfies those of you that asked for it. And I have no problem doing it because, man, that's a fantastic shave. So good. Wonderful. That's all I got. Quick video, other than the lathering. I will have another video up tomorrow explaining my old man brain fart moment. It'll make more sense when you watch the video tomorrow. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.
Find your peace in what